I remember the 27th of April 2006 as a special evening. Even if I was on the losing team, Schalke 04, it was really an experience I will never forget. I think it came after a cross from Jesus Navas, and the ball came to Antonio, and instead of taking a touch on the ball, he kicked it directly to the right corner. Amazing goal, yeah, and it was a moment of the game. In Seville was actually a little bit smaller stadium, but the atmosphere was absolutely amazing. Yeah, and especially after the crucial goal from Antonio Puerta in the extra time. I also remember this atmosphere in the stadium, in the city. It was something special. And perhaps that was the reason why I 3 months later signed a contract with Seville and became a teammate of Antonio Puerta and the rest of the Sevilla family.